Hi first grade, welcome back. I'm so excited to have you back in the classroom today. Today we're going to be creating some underwater sea creatures, some fish. First we have to learn how to draw the fish. I want you to think about your shapes. I want you to think about different types of line. I also want you to start thinking about what kinds of colors you want to use for your fish. So let's talk about some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need one piece of paper. This is going to be our sketch. A sketch is what an artist does before they create their work of art. We need to sketch what we want for our fish out now, and then next time we're going to create our fish really big. You're also going to need a pencil. Remember, whenever you need to sharpen your pencil, you need to find the cup that looks like this. It has an eraser and a sharpener inside. What you do is you take the eraser out, and then you're going to take the sharpener, hold it really tight with one hand, take your pencil with the other, and turn it like a key. Notice that all the shavings fall right into the cup, and that is okay. We want them to fall in there. That's my job at the end of the day, is to clean these out. These are so that you don't have to get up to sharpen your pencil. You can sharpen your pencil at any time during class today. So we learned that the shape of the fish is the shape of an oval. And yours can be a long oval, can be a small oval. It is up to you. Fishes also have eyes. I'm gonna just do a circle and then also a circle inside of that circle to make my fish. Fish usually have a mouth. Sometimes they even have teeth. I'm just gonna do 2 circles for my fish lips. I'm also going to add a triangle on top for the fins and on the bottom and also on its side, so in the middle of that oval. But I'm missing something. I need a tail. Most of the time your tail is going to be a triangle shape, but yours might not. So I have my fish drawn, but it needs some scales. So when you do your scales, you're going to do a line called wavy like the ocean. It goes up and then down and then up and then down, just like that. It looks kind of like the waves of an ocean. I'm gonna do that all the way across his body, but I'm not gonna go over the eye because fishes do not have scales on their eyes. So when I do my scales, I'm gonna avoid putting the scales on the eye. But everywhere else, even the fins, you can add some scales. So now that my fish has his scales, I want to add some more interesting things to make this fish seem even more real. So maybe I'm going to add some bubbles, because you do find some bubbles underwater. You could draw some smaller fish, maybe even some baby fish that are hanging out with your big fish here. You could draw some seaweed or some rocks. You can find those at the bottom of the ocean. It's up to you how you want to make yours interesting. Once you have some interesting things going on, I'd like you to use crayon today to go ahead and start designing your fish. Your fish can be any color. It can also be rainbow. What I suggest when you start coloring is that you go hard and waxy. Hard and waxy means that you're taking the crayon, but you're pushing pretty hard on it. Now, I'm not trying to break the crayon, but I'm going really hard that I can feel how waxy it is on the paper. You're gonna get some really bright colors if you go hard and waxy. Alrighty guys, I think we are ready to start creating our fish, and I'm so excited for you to come next time when we start painting our fish with glue.